Hello Rich, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. This is the LT sedan. Give you a shot of the engine compartment here. It's the 1.4 liter turbo. And I'm shooting this video for you, Rich, more for conditional issues than anything. So what I want to do is point out or highlight anything that I see that, as far as dings, scratches, dents, wear, that sort of thing. As you just saw, the glass on the left side headlamps looks excellent. There's a little bit of scuffing down on the bottom of the air dam and the lower bumper. And then a scuff up here on the top of the bumper just below the headlights. Headlight glass looks excellent. Looking down the driver's side, I don't see any dings or scratches. There is a small chip here on the hood. Windshield glass looks excellent, no chips or cracks. Front left tire condition. Very good, a lot of tread left. These look really good, these tires. No signs of any mag chloride staining or corrosion on the aluminum wheels. Mirror looks good on the driver's side. The roof, from what I see here, I don't see any scratches or anything up on the roof. Oh, there's some small dents right here, and I'll show you that when I get to the other side. Or actually, you can see it in this, right there. So those are just above the windshield. Left rear tire condition, and the wheel. Back bumper looks good. Little scuffs on the corner. Trunk itself looks really good. Right side of the rear bumper also looks good. Looking down the right side, I don't see any door dings or scratches. A little bit of a wave right in this area here, but it's not even going to show up. I just see a little imperfection there, but it's not bad at all. Right rear tire condition, and the wheel also excellent, no staining or corrosion. Another angle of the things that are up here on the hood. On the roof, rather. Front right tire and wheel. We move inside. This is on the passenger side door. And seat and side bolster. Apologize for the dark video. This is the brightest spot I had in here in the shop. Carpet looks great. The sill looks really good. Seat, this is really dark. Seat looks in excellent condition as well. Moving to the back seat. This is the right side door. Again, carpet mats look excellent. Back of the seats, very good as well. Back seat doesn't even look like it's been sat in. Bolster, excellent. Trunk. Back seat folds down, giving you lots of cargo space. Carpet back here also looks very good. It's super dark. Again, I apologize, it's really dark in there. Left rear passenger. Side bolster, excellent. Yeah, this is a really clean Sonic. This is the driver door. Driver seat bolster. Has the blue ambient lighting. Headliner looks really good. Well, there you have it, Rich. I'm going to go ahead and get this video into Brett Taylor. He'll get it downloaded and over to you. We will follow up with a phone call, make sure that you were able to receive it and get it open and answer any questions that you may have.